Hi, my name is Peter Lopes, and I'm the Technical Product Manager for Stratus ztC Edge. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the ztC Management Console. It's now operationally easier to secure your existing software environment right on the plant floor. Whether you're an OT or an IT specialist, you'll find that just with a few clicks, the predefined system settings allow you to single-handedly deploy a highly secure, autonomous, and simple-to-manage edge platform. The system settings and user preferences can be quickly restored from the Stratus Cloud or local drive. As a ztC admin, you can then choose a stored template and verify its contents by glancing at the description and matching the keywords stored with the file. Now just check off the preferences you would like to load and fill in any of the special fields below, like your Active Directory user that can add a computer to the domain. During the restore process, you can easily monitor each preference as they are loaded into the system. Not all preferences can be predetermined by a template. Some features might need to be tuned to work for the specific building and/or area your ztC will be running. Features like software updates can be managed differently across sites, or whether or not a CD or a USB can be attached to a VM by non-administrators. By setting IP tables to host and guest, you can now create and deploy one set of rules for your whole edge system. And with many facilities having different protocol requirements in each area, new rules might need to be added in order for those devices to communicate, like accepting messages on port 502 for Modbus TCP. Also, don't forget to turn on your e-alerts with your shift manager or maintenance team's emails so that the right person can be notified if an issue does arise. Maybe e-alerts aren't your thing. Then try enabling our OPC server and collect things like current node status, current VM status, even a list of alarms. Now that our preferences are set, look inside the physical machine's UI and check out all the information you can see per device. Things like the device serial number, configured networks, and number of VMs. The virtual machines UI is where your VM management happens. Importing an existing VM is something that most customers might do, whether it's from a USB, shared network, or the PC currently logged into the UI. This wizard allows one to import third-party created OVA files, OVF BIOS-based, and OVF UEFI-based images, expanding the customer's options with existing images during the deployment phase. During the import, you can easily monitor the progress. Now that your VM is imported and running, you might want to create a whole new VM for that new software you're implementing. The ztC allows you to import an ISO and build an image from scratch. To review, we first imported our preferences template. Then we focused on updating specific preferences that required site-by-site changes, and looked over our physical machine UI. Then, using our import feature, we loaded a VM onto our system and had it auto-start. Lastly, we loaded an ISO onto the system to use later for creating a new VM. Now contact your local salesperson to see something in more detail or to witness our HA and FT failovers in a live setup.